back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work-from-home job lead. We will skip straight to it. Just know the links to this page, if you're interested in putting that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. The company is Valeen's Healthcare. I hope I am saying that right. They are hiring a data verification specialist. Now, this is fully remote for my United States folks only, but you'll basically be responsible for verifying and validating the accuracy of healthcare professionals' information, such as their license information. Are they board certified, their board certification, the education and training that they have. So you'll be looking at individual providers and doctors and verifying and validating all of their information in compliance with industry standards and organizational policies. You'll review and analyze documentation such as school transcripts or transcripts of any time, certifications, licenses to confirm the authenticity and validity of the information provided. You'll perform primary source verifications of healthcare professionals. Now, while this job is mostly non-phone, that may occasionally require you to pick up the phone and contact educational institutions, licensing boards, and other relevant organizations if you cannot verify the information any other way. Now, as far as the licensing boards goes, there is a lookup tools online for doctors' licensings, whether they're active, when they expire, when they need to be renewed. So I don't know how often you would really have to pick up the phone and call them. You'll maintain and update the healthcare professionals' records in their database, and of course you'll collaborate internally with your team members and other departments to obtain any necessary documentation and information you need to complete the verifications and credentialing process. Now, best part about this job is they're not even requiring any kind of healthcare experience. They say it's a plus if you have healthcare industry experience or primary source verification, but it is not required. No college degree is required either. They're only requiring 1 year of experience in data entry or data verification. Of course, you have to have great verbal and written communication skills and experience working in a fast-paced, detailed, deadline-driven environment. That is it. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to be dependent on location and experience, but they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. All right, please help me out here. I am trying to revamp the channel a little bit and try to only share things that may be helpful to you. If you have any suggestions of things I could do differently, change, how I can make this channel better and more helpful for you, please leave them down in the comments below. If you're also just getting tired of work from home jobs and burnt out on them, well, leave that down below too. And as always, you can always leave anything specific that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.